I am Kate Todd. How can games be used to support educational curriculum? I am going to present 4 iPhone apps that include games designed around famous paintings. They can be used to reinforce or enhance lessons on art history, famous artists, or painting concepts. The first app is Art by ADS Software. I use the Art Lite, which is free, but a full version is also available, on sale now for 99 cents. The quiz game in this app asks you to identify the artist that painted the picture that is displayed. A selection of artists is offered. A correct artist increases your score. If the artist you select is incorrect, your score decreases and the right answer is displayed. At the conclusion of the quiz, a score and a complete time are provided. This game can be used to help learn the names of particular paintings or learn to identify the style of various artists. Another app that includes games is Art Museum. It also has a quiz, which asks you to select the name of a painting. Because the painting images are so small, this is a little less satisfying on a small screen like the iPhone than the previous app. But this app also includes a matching game of the concentration style. A click on the box flips it over so that the paintings are visible. When 2 pictures of the same painting are matched, the painting name and the painter are displayed. This game also provides practice identifying famous paintings and requires players to examine the images for details of form, color, and layout. Art Museum costs 99 cents. The game in Art Puzzle also requires players to look closely at the details of a painting. The painting image is scrambled and must be correctly assembled to match the work of the artist. When this is done, the artist's name and the painting title are displayed. Art Puzzle provides several levels of difficulty. At the very easy level, there are 9 pieces that need to be rearranged. For the most difficult level, there are more than 60 pieces of the picture. The player needs to think about where different elements of the painting belong and match the colors in each section. I used the Art Puzzle Lite version for this demonstration. The full app is available for $1.99. Although not actually a game, students can have fun with My Famous Portrait. This app is also $1.99. To use this app, either take a picture with the iPhone or select a photo that is already in the camera roll. The app then uses a face recognition technique to find famous paintings that are similar to the person in the photo. A close examination of each matching portrait is needed to determine which facial features are similar and why these portraits are considered a match. Sometimes there is difficulty deciphering the image, so the student must locate the eyes in the photo. Students can match pictures of each other or members of their family to famous portraits. These apps cannot replace visits to museums or reading of texts about famous paintings. However, they can be used to add a little playfulness and competition to the learning process. This is Kate Todd. This video is a class project for Apps for Librarians.